as important as what to test and how to test. So understand the purpose, then do the testing. We'll go to the next slide. Yeah, so the next story is about ENT specialist. The story goes this way. A lady comes to an ENT specialist saying that she has the ear problem and she can't hear the outside world properly. So the doctor says, okay, we will do one test to see how good, what is the quality. So he will say, I will stand behind you. From various distances, I will ask you to tell me your name, and whenever you are able to listen to my question, you could then tell out your name. So he will maybe say 20 feet behind the lady. As you can see, he is behind the lady in that picture, and he will ask her, tell me your name. He is not able to hear anything. So from 20 feet he will come closer, 10 feet. Again he will say, tell me your name. He still does not get the answer. He will come closer, maybe just 5 feet closer to 5 feet distance closer to the lady, and said, tell me your name. He is still not able to listen to her. He is not able to hear her reply. So he will come to her and says that, what madam, I am asking you so many times, you are not replying at all. I think your ears are totally gone. Then she says, no doctor, I have been shouting my name. I think your ears are not correct. Maybe you'll have to check your ears first. This is the story. Now, what is the moral? Moral is test the tests first. Means the test cases that we write to test a product, those test cases itself have to be correct first. If we take the story, if we come back to the story, the doctor himself had hearing problem. Hence, he was not able to listen to the answers given by the lady. So, even during our testing activities, we have to make sure that the test cases that we write are correct and the expected behavior is known. The best way to do it is document the expected output and the actual results, so that you know what is the expected output and you can compare it with it. The other way to do it is also get the expert review. You'll have subject matter experts in your projects, so you could get the test cases reviewed by them just to make sure that things are all fine. Or you can trace out the path yourself, going through the code. Okay, if this is the condition, this is the path taken. Where does it take me to at the end? If I give a different input, which path does it take? So you can trace the path and see that what is the expected output for a given scenario. And all along your project activities, please practice reviews, inspections, and test planning. That means that do it in a structured way. Let it not be a haphazard method of doing the testing project activities. To sum it up in one line, the moral of the story is, don't assume that the test cases will be correct. Make sure that the test cases themselves are correct. That is, test the tests first. So, defective test is more dangerous than a defective product. So, it sums it up. We'll go to the next one. The